Welcome to Crypto News and Market Updates for March 18th, 2025. Let's dive into the latest happenings in the world of cryptocurrencies and beyond. Welcome back to Pacific Atlantic Time, where we break down the latest in crypto, finance, and tech so you can stay ahead of the game. Today, we're diving into some major updates. Coinbase stock is set to rally with new pro-crypto policies, a massive $403 million AI investment shaking up the robotics industry, a major crypto exchange acquisition fueling expansion, and how stablecoins are fixing the broken financial system. Let's get into it. Crypto regulation in the US is shifting fast, and it could send Coinbase stock soaring. A top analyst at Bernstein has given Coin a price target of $310, a 64% increase from its current levels. The reason? New pro-crypto policies from the Trump administration. After hosting the first-ever White House Crypto Summit and announcing plans for a Bitcoin reserve, the administration is making it clear: crypto is a priority. Experts believe this could drive institutional adoption, boost regulatory clarity, and make the U.S. a global hub for blockchain innovation. If this plays out, we could see major gains for Coinbase and the broader crypto market. ARK Invest, known for betting big on disruptive innovation, just joined a $403 million investment round for Apptronik, a Texas-based company building AI-powered humanoid robots. What's interesting, this isn't just a robotics play, it's a bet on AI-powered automation, a trend that could integrate blockchain-based smart contracts to manage payments and workflows. Major backers include Google, Mercedes-Benz, and Japan Post, signaling huge confidence in AI-driven robotics. The intersection of AI, blockchain, and automation could be the next major trend, and investors are taking notice. Australia's Swyftx is acquiring New Zealand's Easy Crypto, forming one of the biggest crypto platforms in the region. What's fueling this? Regulatory clarity. With Trump's administration backing crypto-friendly policies, investors are gaining confidence in crypto business expansion. Swyftx's CEO believes we're entering a new phase of deal-making as money starts flowing back into the market. If this trend continues, we could see more acquisitions and growth in the crypto space. The global payment system is outdated, expensive, and slow, but stablecoins could change everything. Right now, sending money across borders means high fees, multiple intermediaries, and long wait times. Stablecoins, pegged one-to-one with traditional currencies, allow for instant, low-cost global transactions. For businesses and freelancers, this means faster payments without banks. In developing countries, stablecoins act as a hedge against inflation, giving people financial access without relying on broken local economies. In 2024 alone, stablecoin transaction volume surpassed Visa, hitting $15.6 trillion. This isn't just an alternative, it's a full-blown revolution in finance. In summary, the crypto space is heating up. Coinbase could skyrocket as U.S. crypto policy shifts. AI and blockchain integration are creating massive opportunities. Crypto mergers are back, fueled by market optimism. Stablecoins are revolutionizing finance, replacing outdated banking systems. Are you bullish on the market? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Pacific Atlantic Time. See you in the next one.